Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I have a quick unboxing for you, and this is a package that I received from scrapbook.com. Now I am a scrapbook.com affiliate, and what does that mean? That means when you click on the links that I provide in the description box, that I receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. So I'm not eligible to win scrapbook.com giveaways, so every once in a while scrapbook.com will send me a gift box full of new products that are just now available. So I'm going to unbox those with you and show you everything that I received in this package. So the first thing that I have here, I'm so excited about these. This is the gold shimmer brush and the silver shimmer brush. I have some of these already, so I'm excited to try the silver and the gold. Then I received this scrapbook.com craft glue pen. This is a gorgeous stamp set that I received called Sunflowers. I know it will have dies available soon, so I can't wait to pick up the dies as well. I think this was a free gift. This is from Hero Arts, and it is a stamp set called Jam Packed. Then I got the scrapbook.com summer treat. It's this cute little popsicle. So that cuts out a die there for a popsicle. And then this is a Sizzix texture fade embossing folder. Looking forward to trying that. That's so pretty. I received the scrapbook.com nested stitched eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's 8 of those in there. Then this is cute. This is the little truck, the little food truck. So you can use the dies to cut out little pieces to make this cute food truck. Then I have these ticket dies. So these are the nested stitched tickets, and these were on my wish list. So I'm so excited about those. I got some rub-ons, so alphas in both the white and the gold. Those will be nice for scrapbook pages, and it comes with the popsicle stick and everything you need with those. And then these are the nested zigzag frames. This was another one that was on my wish list, so I love that. Then I have the astronaut and rocket from scrapbook.com. Super cute. And then these are fun. I got the disco balls in the silver and the shimmer silver. And these are going to be fun because we're getting ready to go to Nashville. So I thought I could use these rub-ons to document some Nashville photos. Super cute. Love it. Then I got this. This is the Catherine Pooler and Sizzix Thinlit dies. And this is a happy birthday set. And I really like these that are the Sizzix packages because they already come in a nice storage envelope. And so I'm just going to open this up here and show you. Look at this nice envelope. Now mine's taped, so let me try to open this up. But it's all these cute little banner dies that spell out the word happy birthday. And then it's got a little star and also a little heart. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut apart the packaging and then stick the front of the packaging in here so that I have a label for this so I don't have to keep all the boxes. But I really, really like this, and that's new from Catherine Pooler and Sizzix. Oh, I think one fell out. Let me put that back in there. Okay, and then I got so many things from Sizzix. Let me get this sealed up. Sorry about that. Then I got a stamp set. This is also from Catherine Pooler and Sizzix. And this is a stamp set, and it says, "My heart is so happy. Oh, happy day. Hope this year is the best yet. Happy that we are friends. Choose happy, be happy, think happy. Where's the party? I'm so excited for this big news. Can't wait to celebrate you. Happy birthday," and many more. Oh my gosh, I love this so much, and it comes in a neat little envelope. Then the next one that I received here, let me see. Let me try to pull out all the Catherine Pooler stuff first. I got the Catherine Pooler. These are some kites. So these are some dies. You can use all the little dies inside to cut apart and make these cute little kites. So I like those. And then I got more Catherine Pooler stuff. I got the Catherine Pooler stamps And I'm sorry I don't have the names on these. The packaging doesn't really have the names, but it's these cute hot air balloons with some sentiments. Congratulations, thinking of you, and happy birthday. So that's nice. And then I got some more Catherine Pooler stuff here. This one is actually Eileen Hull Thinlits. So it's like a little spinner, which you could use that. You wouldn't have to necessarily use it as a spinner, but that's really cute. So I like that. And then to go along with this Eileen Hull, this is Catherine Pooler. Catherine Pooler 3D textured embossing folder. And let me see, does this one come in an envelope? Oh my gosh, it does. So I got the envelope for the texture folder here, embossing folder here too. Let me open this up, see if I can move it in the light a little bit so you can see. So that's really neat. I can't wait to try that. And it comes in this envelope. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, I got some more Eileen Hull stuff, and this is a layered stencil. So this goes along with that die set, I believe. And I do have the Sizzix system for their for these stencils, so you can just hook those in. So that's really neat. So there's 3 layers here. And then I got the Sizzix and Eileen Hull stamps. And I think this one might be my favorite. So it's got like a swatch card on it. And I love swatching different paint colors and ink colors. So I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this one. And then art therapy is progress. There's some stamps on here. Caught red-handed, paint the town red, tickled pink. So lots of fun things. So that is a look at all of the items that I received in my package. I will leave my affiliate link listed down below in the description box if you're interested in doing some shopping at scrapbook.com. I always appreciate when you shop my links. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!